Hi guys, it's me here Chocolate Madness. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on Scratch. So today tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the cat or any character to a different random position. So I'll just go then green. This code is super easy, super simple. Forever, we're gonna go to looks, change color effect by 25. See it is. And then this time I'm going to show you also go to random position, and now for the output, let's click the green flag. Well, this is the output we were looking for now. Well, it is a success. We're gonna name this random color cat. And now thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!